Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here to do What's New Wednesday. So let's get started. I have a package here from Simply Gilded. So let's see what we got. Okay, oh, I remember. See, this is what happens when you order online early in the morning. Okay. So they come in this little baggie that can be reused. This one is silver, oops, with pink bows and hearts. Very pretty. This is the bow seal. This is the freebie. You Are Enough full box icons checklist. That one's pretty. And this is the journaling card. Set that aside. Okay, and this is my order. This got here really fast. So I ordered this. I don't know why it's in a separate little baggie, but it's that cracked hollow foil. I think it's called, I'm not sure, but it's that crackled broken glass kind of look in the background, and it has bows on it. You can barely see the bows, but they are there. And that's what it looks like. So this washi was called Diamond. It was the April gem of the month, and this was $1. Then these are the metallic orange. There's a whole, well, there was a whole line of metallics. I didn't want all those metallic washies, so I got the ones that I knew I would use. So this metallic orange I can use all year, but it kind of appealed to me for Halloween and maybe Thanksgiving, I don't know, but it's really pretty. I got more swatching to do. And then this is the pink. Is it even showing up on camera? So that is everything that I got from Simply Gilded. Next up is Ankia's Kreative Kloset. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I don't think I have. I don't think I've ordered these from this shop before. I've ordered from this shop, but not this. This is the card. I'll link to the shop in the description box below. But all of these are in separate baggies. Let's start with this one. This is a doll. These are dolls. Her name is Desiree. Nice. Then we have Veronica. Her name is Diamond. I kind of like when the dolls look realistic, not so cartoony. So I really like this one. The color is really awesome. Kimura. Lexi. Wendy. And then it's Wendy in the red as well. So those are the dolls that I got from Ankia's Kreative Closet. Okay. Then Mystic's Little Gifts had a ready to ship sale, and I saw something that I liked. So I was able to get it. Let's see. Oh, I think there's something extra in here. Is this recyclable? Okay. So I know what this is, but I don't know what this is. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. Okay. This is the new cork material. I don't know what to call it. It's not leather. And I think this will fit an A6. It's a jacket. I'm pretty sure it's not big enough for a B6, is it? No. This is for an A6. So that means my A6 Tech Gel would fit in this. It's really thin but soft and different feeling. It is not at all what I expected it to be, for it to be a cork-like material. That's really cool. So yeah, I wish I had another A6 notebook that I could put in this. Because I don't want to take the one I have in my cowboy leather out. Okay, so let's see what this. Oh, this is the card. MLG and Company. So this is my order. Ta-da! I've never had anything like this. So yeah, this is a turquoisey croco leather for a micro planner. So I will be making a new micro notebook for this one. I think it holds classic rings, but I really like the color. It was different. This would take me through the summer, I think. And again, this is not, it's thinner than I expected the croco to be, but it feels really nice. And I love the color. I might even dedicate this one to like a micro art journal. Instead of doing plans in it, just do artwork, little art pieces. I don't know. But anywho, those are the two items that I got from MLG and Co. I also received Happy Mail from Isis Ella Jewels, the jewel box. I couldn't wait to use it, so I used it in my social media planner for this week. So this is what's left of one of the kits, but here is everything else. This was quite late getting to me. I don't know why it took a long time to arrive, but I'm just glad that it did arrive. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, so we got this journaling card. I'm gonna set these aside. So we got a journaling card of Lily. I really like that. That's really pretty. And then this is some of the dolls. I think these are from previous collections. Yeah. Then we have the journaling squares. Elevate your thoughts. And to come up is inevitable. I think she's one of my new favorites from the jewel box. And here she is. TJ, this says practice forgiveness. So then we have Taylor, move in silence. Trinity, keep moving forward. Alyssa, level up spiritually. Love her outfit. Nourish your soul with Alexis. Asia, expand your heart. Raven, share your love. Kayla, take care of you. Destiny, trust the process. And this says nourish your soul. Then faithful to the end squad. Trust thyself squad. Then here we get, these are more cartoony, but I really love these illustrations. This is Tara, put in the work. Deja, speak your truth. Shanice, Meditate Your Mind. Imani, Follow Your Bliss. And Nia, Practice Gratitude. I think these are circles. Are all of these circles? No, I don't think so. Well, I don't know. I think they are all circular-ish. Okay. Then here are the journaling squares for that, I don't like to call it cartoon, but the more illustrated collection, I guess. Then let's get into the kits. I love that there is color. I love that we get a lot of color this time. So this is Meditate Your Mind, the kit. Vibrate Higher. So you got the blues and the taupe color. I don't know what type of green that would be, but yeah, not today. I love that. Okay. So there's that one. Then this one is Let Your Spirit Guide You. And it's got the blues and the greens as well. This one is like the blacks and greens. So yeah, I like that we get color in this collection. So that's it for the items from the jewel box. And that's it for What's New Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.